This is where most traders get it wrong. They think the next indicator will fix their strategy, but the real edge may come from testing the right conditions. I asked an AI to create a trading strategy with very specific rules, and the results surprised me. I needed a strategy for gold on the 15-minute chart. More than 60% win rate, drawdown below 30%, at least 100 trades, and a clear exit condition. The AI generated a very simple system. The backtest shows a win rate above 60%, with a drawdown below 30% after 144 trades. This is not a promise. This is just a tested result based on clear rules. And the interesting part is that this strategy is not limited to gold. It can also be tested on crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, on Forex, stocks, and even indices. It also works on different time frames, from 5-minute and 30-minute charts to hourly and even daily charts. So buckle up and get ready, because we are about to break this strategy down step by step. This is a pure trend trading strategy, designed to follow momentum, not predict reversals. By the end of this video, I am going to show you the backtesting results inside TradingView. But first, we will set up the indicator and go through the trading rules step by step. To understand how this works, let's start with a completely clean chart. This strategy can be applied to many assets and time frames, but for this example, we will use gold against the US dollar. Now let's add the only two indicators we need for this setup. Go to the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo signals and overlays. This is one of the most popular premium indicators on TradingView. It has more than 41,000 boosts, which already shows how widely it is used. Now click to add it to your chart. Since these are premium indicators, you normally need a LuxAlgo subscription to use them, but if you use my special link in the description, you can save up to 50% with annual payment. And for the second indicator, we are going to use the oscillator matrix. Before changing any settings, let me make one thing clear. Even though this indicator looks complex, we will ignore most of it. We only need a few specific components. Everything else is irrelevant for this strategy. Now open the settings. For presets and filters, set this to none. The signal mode is set to confirmation and exits. Signal sensitivity is set to 12. Autopilot sensitivity is turned off. And the dashboard location is set to hidden. Now we move to the overlays section. We use the smart trail with a value set to 3. For the candle coloring, you can use either confirmation simple or just set it to none. Then head over to the style tab and uncheck both options, bullish exit and bearish exit. Now click OK. Next, let's open the settings of the oscillator matrix. Inside the Inputs tab, disable the Show Money Flow option. Also disable Show Divergences. Show divergences on the chart, show reversals, upper confluence, and lower confluence. Now click the Style tab and scroll down to the level options. Here, set the first level to a value of 50, then disable the second level option. I like to use an opacity of 69%. I also like to make the line thicker, change the line type to a solid line, and change the color to yellow. Now click OK. These three signals, the confirmation signals, the smart trail overlay, and the hyperwave, will act as our directional filters. That is it. No extra tools, no additional indicators. Before we talk about entries, let's simplify how this system works. There are only three things we care about: confirmation signals, the smart trail direction, and whether the hyperwave is above or below the 50 level. If these do not align in a very specific way, we do nothing. No alignment means no trade. Now let's define the exact rules for a buy trade. This is a checklist, not an interpretation. Now listen carefully, because this part may sound counterintuitive at first. A buy trade is triggered when a bearish confirmation signal appears. This means we need to look for a red sell signal. You may want to open the settings again and change the colors for the confirmation signals to avoid confusion. So you want to set this one to red and this one to green. Now it's perfect. At the same time, the smart trail must be bullish, so you want to see it colored in blue. And here is the filter. The hyperwave, which we can find in the lower section of our chart, must be located below the 50 level. If all three conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. If one condition is missing, we skip the trade. Let me show you another buy example using the same logic. A bearish confirmation signal appears. In this case, it is the green confirmation signal. The smart trail is bullish. The hyperwave is below 50. All conditions are satisfied. This is a valid buy trade. Now let's move to the sell rules. Again, this is fully mechanical. A sell trade is triggered when a bullish confirmation signal appears, so we are looking for this red up arrow. At the same time, the smart trail must be bearish, and the filter applies again. The hyperwave must be above the 50 level. If all three conditions are met, we enter a sell trade. If not, we do nothing. Here is another sell example. A bullish confirmation signal appears. In this case, it is the green confirmation signal. The smart trail is bearish. The hyperwave is above 50. All conditions align. This is a valid sell trade. Now let's talk about exits. This strategy does not use a specific exit strategy, like a fixed risk-to-reward ratio. Instead, when an opposite entry signal appears, the trade is closed. No guessing, no manual decision. There is no fixed stop loss defined in the backtest. If you trade this manually, you can use the most recent swing high or swing low. You can also adapt the stop loss to your own risk management. The key point is that the entry and exit logic stays the same. Now, after looking at the sell trades, let's take a look at the backtesting results. This is where things get interesting. This strategy was tested using the LuxAlgo signals and overlays backtester. That is also the reason why the AI backtesting assistant can generate these strategies automatically. Everything you see here is based on real backtesting data. No assumptions, no manual curve fitting. By the way, I found this strategy a few days ago inside LuxAlgo's AI, which I like to call the trader's better ChatGPT. So the results may vary slightly. Anyway, let's go through the results step by step. The strategy was tested on 146 trades. That is a solid sample size, enough to judge consistency, not just a lucky streak. We can see a win rate of more than 61%. That already tells us the system is doing its job. The profit factor is 2.612. This means the winning trades clearly outweigh the losing trades. Looking at the total performance, using a default order size of 10, the strategy achieved a profit of plus 442.28%, all generated by the same rules we just discussed. And now the most important part. The maximum drawdown stays below 30% as expected. As we can see, the maximum drawdown is only 20%. That means the strategy is not only profitable, it is also controlled. Again, this is not a promise. These are backtesting results based on historical data. And if you want to test this strategy yourself, you can use my special link in the description. It gives you access to the premium indicators and can save you up to 50%. Market conditions can change. That is why you should always test this strategy yourself. Run it on your own asset. Run it on your own time frame, and only trade it when you fully understand how it behaves. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.